Our journey started from Chennai on 29th April of 2019. We reached Delhi via flight and took a train to Dehradun. From there we booked a bus to Uttarakashi, which took us around 7 hours of travel. We packed some food for the trek and rented the sleeping bag, mat and tent here. From Uttarakashi it is 100 km to Gangotri base.
We are in Gangotri temple now as of now. So our time is now 8:18, 8:20, going to start Gangotri trek. So it's around 2 to 3 degree chill. So he's our guide, right? Bankut. Okay. So we got permission. Getting permission today is very difficult for us. So somehow we got it. Even in Gangotri, we are seeing snow. Yeah, if you see here, even in Gangotri, we are seeing snow here. So this is on May 1st of 2019. Let's see how it goes. So we're just starting the trek from Gangotri. So as soon as we started the trek, we were able to see the snows here. So usually in this month, there won't be snow anywhere in Gangotri place. Once we reach Chirbasa and Bhojbasa only, we'll be able to see the snow. But after winter trek, we are the first one going here. So today is May 1st of 2019. Let's see. Video So we started trekking in ice. We're following him.
Our plan for the day is to cover as much as distance possible.
Nice bridge. So now we're heading to Sirbasa. It started snowing.
We haven't expected to snow until we reach Bhojbasa, but it started on the way to Chirvasa itself. I thought we might stuck in Chirvasa for the whole day because of this snowfall, but somehow we managed to proceed to Bhojbasa. I don't think snowfall is going to stop today.
This is the route where from we are heading to Bhojbasa. We stopped at Chirbasa. It was snowing when we came to Chirbasa, so we thought we'll camp there. Since it's 12 p.m, we have some time, so we took some rest and we are heading towards Bhojbasa. Another 2 kilometers to Bhojbasa. So look at the trail, it's full of snow here. We haven't done any accommodation. We stayed in Uttarakashi for one day yesterday, and today we started to climb, and currently now we are at 3670 meter from sea level. This is Gopi.
My name is Pankaj Pawar.
Pankaj, he is a guide. Sivaraj. Another 2 more kilometers. I think mostly we'll reach around now. The time is 2:20. So I think we'll reach around another 1 hour. We are still heading to Vijwasa. Gopi is not well. I mean, he's yet to get acclimatized in the high altitude. It's a Himalayan sheep.
Wow. You are damn so lucky.
So still heading towards Bojwasa. So as guide said, there is another one landslide. I mean, kind of a landslide area. Once we cross that, then we'll reach Bojwasa. So now the time is around 3:12 and the altitude is 3,726. We're heading towards east. That's where Tapoonam peak is available. So we are just camping here, and this is our guide. Yeah, and we have Gopi back, and we have another one team who has joined with us. Not exactly us, with some porters. So we'll get introduced with them. Yeah. So he's the second team. So they are from Mumbai. What is your name? Pratik, and he's from Mumbai, and he's with his partner.
Kira.
Okay. Hello. What's your name? Shri Priya. Yeah.
Yes.
They are coming with the porters. Yeah. Hi. He's another one guide. Your name, Bhaiya? Naam ka? Okay. Awesome. Nice to meet you all. Yeah. We'll head towards Bojwasa. I think another half an hour. Let's see. Kirtan Bojwasa welcomes us.
We were trekking continuously for the past 8 hours. We took rest for 15 minutes at Chirvasa because of snowfall, and we had some bread and biscuits for energy over there.
So this is another resting point. We almost reached Bojwasa. Okay, this is Bojwasa. So below is the campsite. So where people are going there. So now the time is around 3:45 and altitude is mostly around 3,750, 3,760 around. And finally Gopi also reached successfully, and I think today we'll be staying here at Bojwasa below the campsite. Tomorrow we'll be heading to Gumuk. Then I have to check how the weather is. Then we'll move to Tapoonam. Okay, chalo, go to campsite. So finally, we are reaching Bojbasa. So people are going there. Final campsite. So this is where we'll be staying today.
14.09 kilometers.
So we reached our campsite. Okay. Guys, cheese! Woo! Our guys are coming at the back. Finally reached the campsite. So still it's snowing. We'll try to be warm. At least till the tent is up. Yuvraj, running! Come on! Woo! Come on, Gopi! Cheer up! Okay.
We are enjoying each and every moment here, and this is the Bhagirathi river, which is one of the source stream of river Ganga. It originates from Gumuk terminus of Gangotri glacier. We are now at Bojbasa, and tomorrow we will head towards Gumuk, which is another 4 km from here, and from there we will be trekking to Tapuvan.
Okay, day 1 completed. So we started from Gangotri today morning, and we have reached to Bojbasa around 4:30 or 4:30 around. So now the time is around 8 o'clock or 7:30. Outside is full of dark and snow. So we are going to end the day today.
It's really a hot day, and you see it's hard to breathe here.
Yeah.
We are trying to acclimatize here.
Yes, we directly climbed to 3,800 meter altitude.
Approximately 12,000
feet. Yeah, it will be around 11,000 to 12,000 feet. So let's see. Today we are planning to get some rest, and tomorrow we have a big day. So let's see. Yeah, night.